What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing Chapter 5, Problem 3 in the Fundamentals of Physics textbook, 8th edition by Gerald Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. Chapter 5 is all about force and motion part 1, and in Problem 3 we are given some body and we have two forces on it and we're asked to find the magnitude of its acceleration. So the first thing I want to do is draw a little picture. So say this is our body, just like a block, and we have one force this way and our second force is this way, and this right here is 62 degrees. So the force in the x direction is going to be equal to this first force minus force 2 cosine theta. This is just the x component of the second force. I'm also assuming that to the right is positive, up is positive, to the left is negative, and down is negative. And so we have all those values, we can plug them in. 9 newtons minus 8 newton cosine of 62 degrees. And when you plug that into your calculator, you should get 5.24 newtons. And then we can do the same thing for the y direction. F of y is equal to F2 sine theta. So in this case, the only force in the y direction is the y component of force number 2. And again, we have those values, so we can just plug them right in. 8 newtons times the sine of 62 degrees, and that is equal to 7.06 newtons. And so we know that the force in the x direction is equal to max. So then we can say a of x is equal to f of x over m, and we again have those values, so that's equal to 5.24 newtons, which is what we found right up here, over our mass, which is 3 kilograms, and that's equal to 1.75 meters per second squared. And then we can do the same thing for y. F of y equals may, so a of y equals f of y over m. And we solved for f of y right here, so 7.06 newtons over 3 kilograms. And that's going to be equal to 2.35 meters per second squared. And so we're asked to find the magnitude of the acceleration. So a is equal to the square root of a of x squared plus a of y squared. So that is equal to the square root of 1.75 meters per second squared plus 2.35 meters per second squared. And when you plug that into your calculator, you should get that a is equal to 2.9 meters per second squared. So that's it for this problem. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something I did, or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.